Gemma 2 billion illustrates the importance of using model compression and distillation techniques. Google DeepMind, an Alphabet subsidiary focusing on artificial intelligence and machine learning, has just introduced its new AI model called Gemma 2 billion. Despite being a 2 billion parameter model, it is small enough to easily fit on a smartphone. The model was first announced in June alongside Gemma 29 billion and 27 billion as Google's response to rivals, including Meta and its Llama 3.1 family. What is Gemma 2 billion? According to Google, Gemma 2 billion is a lightweight model that produces outstanding results by learning from larger models through distillation. The search giant claims that Gemma 2 billion can surpass all GPT-3.5 models in showcasing exceptional conversational AI abilities. Moreover, the new model can efficiently run on a wide range of hardware, from laptops to robust cloud deployments with Vertex AI and Google Kubernetes Engine KGE. It is also optimized with the NVIDIA Tensor RTLLM library, further enhancing its speed. This new model demonstrates that lightweight models can run on a wider range of devices, not just powerful computers, and offer best-in-class performance for its size, outperforming other models. Furthermore, Gemma 2 billion has just 2.6 billion parameters but was trained on a massive 2 trillion token dataset. On Chatbot Arena, the model scored 1,130, which matches the scores of GPT-3.5 Turbo, significantly larger than Gemma 2 billion. Users can access the Gemma 2 billion model at the Google AI Studio, and it is available through a Llama to run on devices